Hi there, are you looking for a powerful and effective way to generate leads for your business? Look no further than this brand new program called We Got Friends. One of the amazing benefits of We Got Friends is that you get 100 fresh leads every single month, and not just any leads. These are high-quality targeted leads that are interested in what you have to offer. You can use these leads to market any business you want and watch your sales and revenue growth. But that's not all. We Got Friends also does the closing for you. That means you don't have to worry about any of the sales calls or follow-up. Wow! A program that closes for you. How cool is that? If you want even more leads, you can always purchase new fresh leads in your back office. It's a great way to keep the momentum going and make sure you always have a steady stream of potential customers. One of the unique features of We Got Friends is the Nitro line. When you sign up for the program, you get placed into the Nitro line, which is a network of other users. And there's the exciting part: you can make money from everyone in the Nitro line, even if they came in before you. This means that you have the potential to earn some serious cash just by being a part of this network. In fact, you can make a lot of money per week just from one of the 5 ways you can get paid. It's an incredible opportunity that can help take your business to new heights. As a bonus for signing up with our team, you'll also get access to our ringless voicemail platform worth $5,000. This is a powerful tool that you can use to reach out to your leads in a unique and effective way. And the best part is it's completely free. As a bonus for signing up with us, we're always looking for ways to help our team succeed. And we believe that the ringless voicemail platform is just one more way we can do that. An additional bonus we give you when you sign up with our team is you will get a page just like this one with the same video coded to you. This makes it easy for you to share this incredible opportunity with others and start building your own network. We Got Friends is the best lead generation program out there, with 100 fresh leads every month, the Nitro line, and the ringless voicemail platform. You'll have everything you need to succeed. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for free today and start taking your business to the next level. Click the button below to create your free account.